Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and PC so ADB can talk wirelessly. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times, then turn on USB debugging. Connect the phone to your computer with USB so ADB can authorize. Make sure Android SDK Platform Tools is installed on the PC and that the ADB command runs from a terminal. This initial USB connection lets your computer pair with the device securely before switching to Wi-Fi. Now you reconfigure ADB to listen over the network. First run ADB devices to confirm the device is authorized, then run ADB TCPIP 5555 to tell ADB to accept TCP connections on port 5555. Next, obtain the phone's IP address via settings about status or ADB shell IP route. Write it down. Once you have the IP, disconnect the USB cable, but keep both the phone and PC on the same Wi-Fi network so they can communicate directly. Finish by connecting over the network. Run ADB Connect IP 5555 using the address you noted. You should see a success message. Verify the link with ADB devices. It will list the device with the IP. To end the session, use ADB Disconnect IP 5555 or ADB Kill Server. If connection fails, check that both devices are on the same subnet. Disable PC firewall blocking port 5555. And if required, reconnect USB to reauthorize ADB for a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.